he was big into this futuristic goal of, financial freedom and having everything paid for. And I grew up a little more spoiled than he did. And so I think immaturity on my part left me more frustrated with his financial decisions that he made. Like, for instance, I had a new car when we got married with a car payment. But, him being the provider of our family thought it was best to go ahead and not have any debt, which I agree with now. But at 20 years old, looking back, I was a little immature when it came to that. So there were some things that we didn't necessarily agree on and weren't on the same page that I think caused quite a bit of a rift in the beginning. And I know all marriages start out and you have to kind of blend two people into one vision and kind of work towards that goal. But I don't feel like we had the tools to kind of blend that vision and work in a healthy direction towards those goals. I feel like it was more, I had something in mind, he had something in mind. He went ahead and sold my car without me knowing, and I didn't have the maturity to get on board with that.